In this first lecture of a course about Manim, we first want to understand how to install it. Technically, to install Manim, you only need to execute 4 commands without doing anything in the PowerShell. And these 4 commands are as follows, which as you see are listed in here. But instead of just seeing them, I want you to be able to copy paste them. So I want to show you how or where I found these commands so you could easily copy paste all these commands in the PowerShell. So we go in our Google Chrome and we say install Manim on Windows. The first website that would come up would be the Manim community. You go in this website, you click on the Chocolatey, which is a package manager, and you go in the resulting website, and in here you need to copy paste 2 commands in the PowerShell. One of them is set execution policy all signed. You copy it, and in the search you type PowerShell and run as administrator. So you right click so that the command would be pasted here. You hit enter and you just say yes, Y for all, and it would be executed. I already executed them, so I don't need to do it again. And then the second command would be in here. You again say copy by clicking on this link. Go in the PowerShell once again and right click, and it would be executed again. So this would be the second command that as you see in the orange. Next 2 commands are the yellow and the pink ones, which we would go to the Manim community, the first website that we got, and in here you just copy it by clicking on this link. You go in the PowerShell again, right click, and you just hit enter, Y and capital A for all, and it would be installed as well. And the last command, you would just go a bit down, and in here would be for LaTeX. Here you see Choco install. Actually, it should be here. Let me actually find it. Choco install Manim LaTeX. So you just copy paste this as well. So we say copy. We go in the PowerShell once more and we right click and hit enter, and this would be executed as well. Nothing more you would need to do. By now the Manim would be installed on your Windows system. But I also wanted you to install the Visual Studio, so you just say install VS Code, and actually for Windows, or just say VS Code, and the resulting you would go in the resulting website, which is also free. You click here so that the VS Code would be downloaded for Windows, and you just say next, 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 everything by default, nothing specific about this, and the Visual Studio would also be installed on your system. Then you just open this and click on these 4 windows in here to just install these a couple of extensions: Manim Site View, Pylance, and Python. So if you don't see them, you should just type Python, and in the resulting extensions that it brings up, it would have an install, which you click it on it, and the extension would be installed. The same thing would be applied about Pylance and Manim. And for the Manim Site View, as I said, you just say also Manim Site View, and in here you would click install. The Manim Site View is so that we could see the resulting of our codes in the right side, so we don't need to go and find the video that has been generated because of executing the codes. And that by now, as I said, the last one would be Pylance, which you just again search and would just say install, which I have already installed, so I don't see install button in here. And by now you would have the Manim and Visual Studio installed, and you are ready to execute and understand and execute all your Manim files. Maybe I just show you one of the codes that I have in here. Let me actually find it, or maybe I show this to you in the next lectures, that how you would be able to write codes in Manim, text, and everything else. So see you in the next lecture that we would start to teach Manim, so you would understand.